Okay, so we're going to go through the functions of our Barryvox X transceivers. So when we're in send mode, switching into search, it'll start searching, and it'll tell you in the bottom corner in standard mode how many transceivers you have, and then allows you to cycle between them. So on the side, you have your arrow keys. You can choose to switch between your transceivers. If you're within a certain distance, it'll ask you to switch, and you just have to push the front button, and then you can switch between them. And then it'll show you, give you a distance and an arrow to them. When you're in the standard mode, it will hold on to one of your transceivers. So we're on this transceiver here, and so it'll hold this transceiver here, but as I move closer to this transceiver over here, the number continues to go up because it's holding on to the transceiver on the other side. So with standard mode, you can cycle in between, and it holds on to each unique signal. To get into our alternate search mode, you're going to cycle up using the up arrow all the way to the top where there's the hourglass or the magnifying glass, and then alternate. The alternate mode doesn't tell you how many transceivers you're picking up, but it gives you a distance to the strongest or the closest signal. It automatically adjusts the sensitivity for you, and in alternate mode, if I get closer to this transceiver, my numbers go down, and then as I get closer to this transceiver, my numbers start going down. So it just automatically goes to whichever transceiver is the strongest signal. If you're familiar and you want to adjust the sensitivity yourself, you can use the arrows on the side, and this goes to an M, and the bottom says push mark to back to auto, and then you can go back to auto, and then to exit you push the front button to get back to standard mode. If you're on an avalanche, organized avalanche search, switch to search, and then to get to rescue send, you're going to go back to send, and then you push your middle button, and then it says rescue send here. If you want to get out of rescue send, you'll push the up arrow, and it gives you the option to return to regular send. Rescue send is where your transceiver is not searching, not making noise, but it's also not sending a signal, and it will auto revert after 4 minutes to sending.
Sweet.